Last practice problem. Let's see if you did this one correctly. Starting by combining like terms. It's the constants. Bring down the 4x. Opposite sign, so subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2. I have more positives. I also have like terms here. 5 plus 1 is 6. Variables are on the left, so I need constants to be over here on the right. This positive 2 needs to go. Both sides. These are gone. 4x equals 4. Isolate the variable by dividing. I think x equals 1. To check, I'm going to plug in 1s everywhere there's an x. So 4x becomes 4 times 1 minus 6 plus 8 equals 5 plus 1. Always write it exactly the way it's written the first time. Simplify. 4 minus 6 plus 8 equals 6. Combine my positives. 12 minus 6 is 6. It checks out because I have the same number on both sides. I can box my answer. This is what you're going to do on your exit ticket. I'm going to ask you to solve it and then check it. And then in your Google form, it's going to say, when you check, what number did you get on both sides? So I would type in 6, okay? I got a 6 on both sides when I checked it. It's going to ask you what your first step was. For most of our, I think all of our questions today, the first step was actually step 2, to combine like terms. Then it's going to ask you for your answer. So there's 3 separate questions in the Google form. Make sure you show all of your steps on the next slide before you get to your Google form. Take your time. Take your time, check your work. You are ready.